through the street. They smell scraps, they want meat. She wants leaf on the radio, unreachable in a daydream. She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? The midnight sun is gone again. We're all dressed in goose down. The Arctic char is almost up. There's only caribou now, but Becky drowns her worries. She goes out to the club to shake it. She doesn't listen to no one except Leif on the radio, unreachable in a daydream. She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? What have you done for your friends? You knew it wouldn't end well, but Becky, come on, girl. Go down to the city, crawl on up the walls, speak to the people, raise your fist. Grab your chance, hold your strength, make a chain of your arms and pull the rest up. Get out of this town, rule like a woman. She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? She is a friend of mine. I said, when will you get out of this town? Come on, get out. Come on, get out. Short black dress and aviator. She seems complicated, but that's what she's asking for. Her wallet's never empty, her plate is always full. The coyotes walking through the street. They smell scraps, they